Hi friends, how are you? This is your Raju sir. Today I discuss about structure of RNA molecule. Structure RNA. Structure of RNA. So, my dear friends, last class I thought that the DNA molecule, DNA topoisomerism, topomerism, so सभी क्लास खत्म किया. So today let I shall discuss about structure of RNA molecule. You know that here the DNA. So DNA is containing 4 nitrogen base pair. 4 nitrogen base pair. Base pair. And as well as RNA is also contain 4 nitrogen base pair. Base pair. So we are observing here the DNA is containing to the 4 nitrogen base pair as well as RNA is containing to them 4 nitrogen base pairs. So in this 4 nitrogen base pairs, a small variation is having the different. So first one here the DNA containing to the 4 nitrogen base pairs. So first one adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. And as well as RNA is containing to the nitrogen base pair adenine, thymine replace uracil and guanine cytosine. So those are the nitrogen base pairs is having RNA, DNA, DNA. So first of all we are observing to this DNA molecule. DNA molecule is having double helical structures. DNA molecule is having double helical structure. ddNA. RNA molecule is having single helical structure. Sometimes here the RNA is having double helical structure of few amount of the viruses. Few amount of the virus is containing to the RNA molecule. Double helical structure of the RNA molecule. So first of all we are observing to this DNA, observing to the RNA. So here the RNA is one of the nucleic acid. Point number 1. One of the nucleic acid. So RNA means ribonucleic acid. It is found predominantly in cytoplasm. RNA is occurs into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So predominantly found in cytoplasm. Keep it in your mind. And mostly single stranded. So this one single stranded. Mostly single stranded. Some of the viruses like about your rhinovirus, coronavirus, TME virus. So those are the virus and wound tumors is containing double stranded strand RNA. Rhinovirus, TME virus, such as a virus is containing double stranded of the RNA. Keep it your mind. And as well as here the DNA is containing to the thymine replaced to the uracil in RNA. Keep it your mind. All normal RNA chain begin with adenine to guanine, adenine RNA, all RNA molecules. So in this RNA molecule, having the 3 types. So first one RNA, mRNA, second one RNA, rRNA, third one RNA, tRNA. mRNA is also called as messenger RNA or template RNA. Template RNA. mRNA is also called as messenger RNA or template RNA. And as well as rRNA. rRNA is also called as ribosomal RNA. This one. And another one, tRNA is also called as transferred RNA or soluble RNA. sRNA बोलते soluble RNA. So soluble RNA, transfer RNA or soluble RNA. So here must be understanding out of these the transfer and messenger RNA are synthesized of the RNAs. Those are the RNAs on the chromosomal DNA, while ribosomal RNA is synthesized on the ribosomes. So messenger RNA क्या कर रहा है ना, messenger RNA and transfer RNA is always synthesized on the chromosomal DNA, but ribosomal RNA is synthesized on the ribosomes DNA of the nucleotides. These three types of the RNAs are synthesized during the different stages in early development. So that's why here the RNA is as a functional unit of our body and organism body and creature's body except viruses. Keep it in your mind. But DNA is a contain genetic material. DNA is contain information. But here the RNA is contained to the information on some of the viruses such as rhinovirus, H1N1 virus, coronavirus. So like that HIV virus. Those are the viruses containing some of the information to the RNA molecule. So here the RNA, I shall discuss to the structure of the RNA. So you know that structure, so this is a single strand of the RNA molecule. This is a single strand of the RNA molecule. So in this single strand of the RNA molecule is containing to them different kinds of the nitrogen base pairs. So such as this one nitrogen base pair and this one nitrogen base pair and this one nitrogen base pair and as well as this one nitrogen base pair, nitrogen base pair, nitrogen base pair. So we are observing to this structure. So this is a nitrogen base pairs of the So this is a nitrogen base pair. So here the RNA is similar to the DNA structure, but this is a single strand. This one single strand. For example, 3 primer, 5 primer of the RNA. So this is a single strand of the RNA molecule. So in this single strand of the RNA molecule is containing to the 4 nitrogen base pairs, and as well as here the single strand of the RNA molecule is containing pentose sugar, phosphate molecule and a nitrogen molecule, nitrogen base pair. So containing to the RNA molecule is similar to the DNA structure, and as well as here the RNA is only replaced to the thymine, and RNA is only replaced, thymine is replaced to the uracil, but similar to the DNA structure of the RNA molecule. You know that here the RNA molecule pentose sugar structure. So this is a So this one. So this is a ribose 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 structure. So here the ribose structure is added to the pentose sugar is also. So यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं pentose sugar. So this is a pentose sugar. यहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन बेस पेयर्स. So यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं ना नाइट्रोजन बेस पेयर्स such as adenine, nitrogen base pairs. So nitrogen base pairs is also binded here the RNA molecule, and as well as this structure is also formed to the another one nitrogen base pair and formed to the nucleotide chain. So here the RNA is containing to the nucleoside and nucleotide is also. So nucleotide means one pentose sugar phosphate molecule nitrogen base pair is called nucleotide. Nucleoside means pentose sugar and nitrogen base pairs is called nucleoside. So nucleoside, nucleotide. RNA is also containing to the nucleoside and nucleotide. So must be we are observing to the RNA structure. So in this RNA structure, we are observing to the RNA structure. This is a single strand of the RNA structure. So in this single strand of the RNA structure is sometimes coiled of this RNA molecule. Coiled of this RNA molecule, that is a supercoil of the RNA molecule, and small coils is formation to the RNA molecule. Why? Because this is a single strand of the RNA molecule. Here the single strand of the RNA molecule is spherical of the RNA molecule. So for example, show this image. For example, show this image. Show the structure. So this is a 3' and this one 5' of the RNA molecule. So 3' 5' of the RNA molecule is coiled of the RNA molecule. This is a coiled. So this one coiled and this one coiled and this one coiled. So this is a uncoiled. So coiled of the RNA molecule is containing to the nitrogen base pairs. This is a nitrogen base pairs. So both are the nitrogen base pairs is this one nitrogen base pair. This one nitrogen base pair. This is a nitrogen base pairs. So keep it in your mind. So this one nitrogen base pairs is binding here. So this one nitrogen base pair is binding here, and this one nitrogen base pair binding here, this one nitrogen base pair binding here, this one binding here, this one nitrogen base pair is binding here, this one nitrogen base pair binding here, this one same to same binding here, this one same to same binding here. So this one, this coil and this coil, so this coil and this coil is binding to them. So we are observing to this RNA molecule, RNA structure. So in this RNA structure, this is a coiled formation, coiled formation. So in this helical structure of this RNA molecule, show here helical structure of the RNA molecule. Here the helical structure of the RNA molecule is containing to form to the supercoil. So this is formed to this coil, and this one formed to this coil, and this one formed to this coil. In this coils is containing to the nitrogen base pair. This is a nitrogen base pairs. So both are the nitrogen base pairs is binding hydrogen bonds. So this one formed to the hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds. So this is a N-glycoside bonds बोलते हैं, N-glycoside bonds, N-glycosidic bond. So here the N-glycosidic bond tightly binded to this RNA molecule. So because of here the nitrogen base pairs are there, here the nitrogen base pairs are there. So one nitrogen base pair, for example यहाँ पर adenine nitrogen base pair, and यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं हम uracil nitrogen base pair. This one uracil nitrogen base pair. Adenine uracil is binded to the double bond. So this is a double bond bounded to the double bond, and as well as, so here this is a nitrogen base pair, and this is a nitrogen base pair, and this both are the nitrogen base pairs binded to the another nitrogen base pairs. So this one nitrogen base, for example this nitrogen base pair is also called guanine. So this one cytosine. So this one uracil, this one adenine. So this is binded to the triple bond of the hydrogen bond, and this is binded to the double bond of the hydrogen bond. So we are observing to this DNA molecule, RNA molecule. RNA molecule is similar is binding to this which bonds? Phosphodiester bonds, and as well as N-glycosidic bonds to form to the coil formation of the RNA structure. So this is RNA structure. Because of this is RNA is a single strand RNA molecule. So in this single strand RNA molecule is coiled formation to binding to the nitrogen base pair. But in this DNA molecule, double strand of the DNA molecule, for example this is one strand of the DNA molecule, and this is one strand of the DNA molecule. So both strand is having the DNA molecule. So here the DNA molecule is containing to the nitrogen base pair. So both of the nitrogen base pairs is binding here. Both nitrogen base pair, both DNA molecules, both DNA helical structures twisted to binded here. But here only one single strand of the nitrogen base pair, only one single strand of the RNA molecule is coiled to binding to formation to this RNA molecule. So keep it in your mind. So this is a RNA structure. So we must be right to this RNA structure. So you know that another one structure are there. So that is another one structure, tRNA. tRNA is also called as a transferred RNA or soluble RNA. So because of in your syllabus is having the structure of the RNA, and in your syllabus is containing tRNA structure. So that's why I will discuss to this structure of the tRNA, but I can't discuss to the structure of structure of mRNA molecule and rRNA molecule. So let I will discuss to this structure of RNA molecule. So here the structure of RNA molecule, let I will discuss to the structure of RNA molecule. Structure. tRNA molecule. tRNA. Structure of tRNA. So in this structure of tRNA molecule, must be we are learning about the structure of tRNA molecule. So here the tRNA molecule, first we are observing to this one, point number one, structure of tRNA molecule is having, present of total RNA of the cells. Present of total RNA of cells in our body or a human body, in organism 10 to 20% only, 10 to 20%. So here the tRNA molecule, organism body is containing to the tRNA molecule weight, lightweight. So this one weight, lightweight. So 10 to 20% molecule, RNA molecule is containing to the organism body. And as well as here the tRNA molecule sedimentation coefficiency, Svedberg constant, sedimentation. So sedimentation, here the sedimentation of the tRNA molecule, sedimentation of coefficient, coefficient 3.8s. So 3.8s is having the tRNA sedimentation. This is a S modulabu sedimentation coefficient. And as well as here the number of the nucleotides. The structure of the tRNA is containing number of the nucleotides. NUMBR, number of nucleotides. Number of nucleotides, very important these points. Number of nucleotides 73 to 93 nucleotides have in the tRNA molecule. 73 to 93 nucleotides is containing to the tRNA molecule. Molecular weight of the tRNA molecule. Next one, fourth point. Fourth or fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth point. Molecular weight of tRNA. Molecular weight of tRNA molecule is having 25,000 to 30,000. 25,000 to 30,000 molecular weight have in the tRNA molecule. 25,000 to 30,000 molecular weight have in the tRNA molecule. So must be we are observing to this tRNA molecule. So in this tRNA molecule, we are observing to this tRNA molecule. So here the tRNA molecule is molecule structure, let I will discuss to this structure. Let I will discuss to this structure. So first one structure, let we shall show to this structure. So this is a we are showing about this structure, the RNA molecule structure. यहाँ सर वो स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे कर रहे हैं, आप ऐसे सोच रहे हैं, बट स्ट्रक्चर नीट एंड क्लीन में करना चाहिए. सो वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. दैट इज योर नेचुरलिटी. वो दिखा नहीं है. स्ट्रक्चर देखना चाहिए ना. ऐसा होगा. Right. So here the structure, we are observing to the structure. So this is observing this structure. So this one देखो, this is structure. So this one structure. So this one nitrogen base pairs connecting to the nitrogen base pair. So this one connecting to the nitrogen base pair, nitrogen base pair, nitrogen base pair, nitrogen base pair. Just we are observing here. And next here. So this one this one, this one, this one, next this one, next. So in this structure is containing cytosine, guanine, here, Y, here, thymine, Y, C, R, A. So this one. So this is a T-cell loop. T-cell loop. This one, T-cell loop. T-cell loop. So in this T-cell loop is containing 7 nucleotides. Nucleotides. 7 nucleotides. C-tail loop is containing 7 nucleotides. So that means so in this in this T-cell arm, T-cell C arm बोलते हैं. आर्म मतलब दिस इज हैंड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. T-cell arm or T-cell stem. So here the T-cell stem is containing 5 nitrogen base pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nitrogen base pairs. Nitrogen bases. 5 nitrogen bases. So this is one arm is having this one. And another one are there, this one. So we are observing to this one. So this one is also called acceptor stem. Acceptor stem. So in this acceptor stem is containing 7 base pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. And here is also one nitrogen base pair are there. So this one. So 7 nitrogen base pairs. 7 nitrogen base pair. Seven nitrogen base pairs is containing to the acceptor stem. So next one here, the acceptor stem is containing some of the nitrogen base pair here. Some of the nitrogen base pair C. So this is C, and C. So those are nitrogen base pairs are there. Those are the nitrogen base pair. Here the nitrogen base pairs is also, here the nitrogen base pairs is having CC. Nitrogen base pairs is also known as terminal sequence. Terminal sequence of the nitrogen base pairs. So terminal sequence of the nitrogen base pairs. In this A, last one A is containing OH molecule. A is containing OH molecule. Keep it your mind. Don't confuse here. So this is a terminal sequence. Adenine, cytosine. In this adenine is the last nitrogen terminal sequence of this nitrogen base pairs of the this acceptor stem. So in this acceptor stem is having 4 nucleotides. फोर न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. यहाँ पर कितना न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स है? 5 न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. So this one having 4 nucleotides only. 4 nucleotides. So here next one. Here we are discussing to this next one. So this is the uracil. So uracil binding किया. So binding करने के बाद देखो why this one bind and A R binding किया. So this one pink color G R keep it in your mind. Show to them the structure. Y and U. So this one structure we are observing to this structure. So this is a structure. So in this structure we are observing to this structure. So first of all देखो, so this is acceptor arm and this one psi arm and this one variable stem. This is a variable stem. Variable stem and this one variable leaf loop variable loop. So this is a variable loop and this one we are observing to this total variable arm. So this one we are observing. This one we are observing to this one, this total, this arm we are observing anticodon loop. Anticodon loop. So here the anticodon loop is having, anticodon loop is unpaired, 7 unpaired nucleotides. Unpaired nucleotides. Unpaired nucleotides. 7 unpaired nucleotides is having the anticodon. So this one, this is total anticodon loop. So this total we are observing to this one anticodon arm. And this one we are observing to this one D arm. So this one. So that means DHU loop. So this is a DH loop, this one DR. So this one pink color alpha nucleotides. So this one pink color alpha nucleotides. So this one H bonds. So here is also having the nucleotides. So this is observing to this one binding of the nucleotides. So this is binding of the nucleotides. So this one binding of the nucleotides. This is binding of the nucleotides. So this one binding of the nucleotides are there, and this is a total pure ensign pyramids. So here the pure ensign pyramids is made to the like about a clover structure. CLOVER, clover leaf, LEAF, leaf structure, clover leaf structure of the tRNA molecule. So in this clover leaf structure of the tRNA molecule is first identified by Holley, HOLLEY, Holley et al. Holley et al. In 1965 in East. 1965 for East alanine. East alanine में वो आइडेंटिफाई किया होली et al. 1965 में वो क्लोवर लीफ ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. So we must be observing to this tRNA molecule structure. So in this tRNA molecule structure is containing four parts. So in these four parts, first one part, this one part is acceptor stem of the part, and the second one part is T side C arm of the part, this one, and next one part anticodon part, and another one part is D arm part or DHO loop part, D arm part. So in the another one stem are there. This is a variable stem or variable arm of the part is having the tRNA molecule structure. So in this tRNA molecule which carry amino acids for initiation codon R called initiator tRNA. So here the tRNA molecule, this one terminal portion of the tRNA molecule. In this terminal portion of the tRNA molecule is always carry to the which one carry to them amino acids is carry to this one. So this one के क्या बोलते हैं ना initiator tRNA बोलते हैं. Why? Because here the amino acids is binding this area. So that's why initiated portion बोलते हैं this one का. And another one we are discussing to the another one the structure as visible containing five arms, each with loop and stem. These are, so first one structure is containing to the five arm. So first one acceptor stem, and second one side C arm, and third one variable stem or variable arm, and fourth one anticodon arm, and fifth one DH arm. So both are having this structure. So first one acceptor arm. This is a first one arm, acceptor arm. So in this acceptor arm without loop. This is not any loop. मतलब क्या करना ना ऐसे करना चाहिए. So here without loop is containing to the acceptor arm. But in this acceptor arm is containing how many base pairs? 7 base pairs, 7 nitrogen base pairs. And how many nucleic acid nucleotides are there? So 4 unpaired nucleotides. So 4 unpaired nucleotides is having the acceptor arm. Keep it your mind in this acceptor arm. So acceptor arm side heading करिए, side heading करने के बाद we are right to this acceptor arm. Acceptor arm is doesn't have to the loop, and here the acceptor arm is having the 7 nitrogen base pairs and unpaired 4 nucleotides is containing to the acceptor arm. In this acceptor arm terminal position is always binding to carry to the amino acids. Keep it your mind, that point we are right to them. And the second one arm, D arm. So this one D arm or DHU loop. So in this second one arm, D arm or DHU loop, the arm with a 3 to 4 base pairs. So यहाँ पर कितना होगा ना, 3 to 4 base pairs. So 3 to 4 base pairs is containing to the this one DH arm, D arm or DHU arm. So in this DH arm is containing to the 7 to 11 nitrogen base pairs, 7 to 9 nitrogen base pairs which around unpaired. So this one क्या करना है, 7 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one are there white color. So here the white color is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 7 to 11 nitrogen base pairs are there. So here the 7 to 11 nitrogen base pair around to them, but this is unpaired. So this one paired नहीं है, this one paired नहीं है. So both are paired नहीं है. So this one paired नहीं है. So this one का paired नहीं है. So unpaired of this arms 7 to 11 nitrogen base pairs are there. So 7 to 9 nitrogen base pairs. So 7 to 9 nitrogen base pair, unpaired of the nitrogen base pairs is containing to the DH arm. And another one anticodon arm. So this is this one anticodon arm, that arm which 5 base pairs and 7 unpaired nitrogen base pairs are there. So this arm में क्या करना, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 base pairs are there in this anticodon arm. So in this anticodon में 5 base pairs. So 5 base pairs are there. 7 unpaired nucleotides is having the anticodon arm. Keep it your mind. So in this anticodon arm unpaired nitrogen base pairs is containing to the anticodon arm. And next one variable arm or variable stem. Variable arm and variable stem is which is a very variable. It is a may or may not containing to this stem. So this one stem is it is not important because of sometimes so this stem is arranging of the stem, or sometimes non-arranging of the stem is having the variable stem. And the last one T sin C arm. So that T sin C arm is containing to the 5 nitrogen base pairs. You know that 5 nitrogen base pairs and 7 nucleotides, unpaired nucleotides is also containing to the T side nitrogen base pairs. So must be we are right to this T side nitrogen base pairs. So वो वाला क्या करना ना आप लोगों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना चाहिए वो डायग्राम के लिए. So वो डायग्राम में क्या कर रहे हैं ना, the functional group of the tRNA molecule is always required to the amino acid according to the nucleotide sequence of the mRNA molecule during the elongation of the ribosomal representation. So for example here क्या कर रहे हैं, so this one amino acid are there. So this one amino acid is carried to the nitrogen base pair and depend upon the here mRNA molecule. So यहाँ पर mRNA molecule मिल गए तो क्या करना ना, so in this mRNA molecule में वो nitrogen base pair क्या कर रहे हैं ना, वो amino acid binding करने के लिए carry कर रहा है which one tRNA molecule. Keep it your mind. So tRNA molecule is one of the functional unit of the tRNA molecule. In this functional unit मतलब transferred. So transferred of the tRNA molecule. So in this transferred of the tRNA molecule is always carried to the amino acids. Keep it your mind. वो carry कर रहा है tRNA molecule. This is a structure of the tRNA molecule. Must be we are right to this structure. So So keep it your mind and write to the structure, and we are write to the some of the points of the tRNA molecule structure. Okay, thank you, and after later we'll discuss to the another class.